I promise I'll be right at the front gate at 3:30, same as always.
Got it, Mom.
A big kid watch for a big kid. Time doesn't wait, Ethan.
I know.
5 minutes, everyone here. Wrap it up. It's not even close to done.
You'll never finish in time anyway. You always run off the second the bell rings.
That's not true.
I've got this. Mom won't mind a few extra minutes.
Are you sure?
Just check the time before you leave, okay?
Yeah, I will.
Just the trees left. Almost there. A few more minutes. Don't stay too long, Ethan. Someone's waiting for you.
Just a little longer. Almost. Almost. There. Ha! Take that, Ryan. Wait, what time is it?
3:47? I'm so late. I have to go.
Building closes in 10 minutes, kid.
10 minutes?
No.
Where is everyone? Maybe she's just running late. Maybe she left. It's fine. I know the way home. I've got this.
Ethan should have left ages ago. He probably just went home already.
Left at the big oak tree, then straight. Easy. See? I know exactly where I am. Almost home.
Was it this way or that way? This way. Definitely this way.
When's Ethan getting home?
Soon, Dre. Mom's got him.
It should be right around here. Just keep going.
He's usually out by now. Maybe the art class ran long. Have you seen Ethan? I've been waiting at the gate. He left a little while ago, so I told him to hurry.
This. Why would practice look right? Doesn't look right. None of this looks right. I don't need help. I can find it myself. I've got this. I think I might be lost. Okay, think.
Wait, he never showed up? I'm coming to help look.
Is Ethan safe? Are you sure Mom can't find him?
We'll find him together. Come on.
Someone will find me. I just have to keep going. Keep going.
We'll check every street between here and home.
We'll find him. We stick together.
Nothing on this street either.
We'll try the next one.
Have you seen a boy about this tall, light blue shirt?
He might be looking a little lost.
Where would he even go?
We keep looking. That's all we can do.
I don't know where I am. I wish someone was here. Should I have said something? I have to try something. Okay, I'll ask for help. Just ask. Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Can you help me call my mom?
Of course. Let's call her right now.
Mom? I'm okay, Bwez. I'm at a store on Maple Street.
Corner of Maple and 5th. You're safe. You're safe now. I'm sorry, Mom.
We're safe, and we're together, Peltme. That's what matters.
Don't ever do that again. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry.
Promise me you'll always tell me the plan next time. This is wonderful, Ethan Bite, but why so late?
Yeah, why so late?
I got lost last night because I stayed to prove a point. That wasn't smart.
I'm sorry, Ethan. I didn't mean for you to get lost. His drawing did turn out pretty amazing, though.
Stay and watch the match with us?
I promise, Bite. Text my mom first. Time doesn't wait.